Let's look at 24 and 36. We want to find the highest common factor. Okay, so the first step when you want to factorize is to find the highest common factor. Okay, so if you look at 24 and 36, the factors of 24, okay, will be 24. Okay, let's start with 1. 1 times 24 gives you 24. Okay, so 1 times 24 gives you 24. 2 times 12 gives you 24. Okay? 3 times 8. 3 times 8. And then 4 times 6. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Those ones gives you 24. That's the factors of 24. Let's look at 36. 1 times 36. 2 times 18. 3 times 12. 3 times 12. 4 times 9. 4 times 9. 5, not going to work. 6 times 6. 6 times 6. And that's it. Okay, so that's the end. We can make this one a bit bigger now. Okay, so that's all the factors. 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6. So now you can see 2 and 2 is a factor. Okay, 3 and 3 is a factor. Okay, a common factor. 4 is a common factor. 6 is a common factor. 12 is a common factor. But we want to know what's the highest common factor. So it's going to be 12. So we can say the highest common factor is 12. So that's the first step in factorizing.